So you guys saw us make this awesome hoop for my cafe racer project here. When we were going through that, I wasn't really thinking at the time about protecting the inside of the frame from corrosion, but we're going to take care of that right now with a nice coat of internal frame coating. This stuff is really helpful, and there's only 3 steps of preparation. First thing you want to do is you want to blow all the debris you can out of the frame. Doesn't need to be that clean. This stuff is pretty tough. We'll work in a bad environment just like you'd expect. Secondly, you want to mask off any holes in your frame because this stuff is messy and it will run out and it will get everywhere as it's intended to do. Now thirdly, you want to make sure you give your can a good shake. Make sure it's nice and mixed up before you start spraying. So we're all set. We're shooken up. We have our cardboard down. We got everything masked off. Let's go ahead and get to it. Spraying this stuff really is that simple. Again, this is going to work great anywhere you typically can't reach to get a paint into. Like, for instance, we've used this on the inside of hoods, in window channels, rocker panels, trunk gutters. All that is great for it. And of course, the odd frame, this stuff is perfect for as well. For any information about the internal frame coating or any of our other paints, make sure you check out Eastwood.com.